Hey, what's going on there, everyone? It is TechWares. Today is February 11th, 2025. I haven't made a video in a long time. I just want to make a quick video. It's about my work break right now, so I've seen some news going on regarding Intel online, and I just want to make a quick video on it. So the Intel stock is kind of popped off today. Let's do from year to date. You can see it went up from 1910 all the way to 2119, and it seems to be going to continue to go up, I think, because of the news that Vice President of the United States of America made a comment during, I believe it's a AI summit in Europe, and he said that right here, he said, to safeguard America's advantage, the Trump administration will ensure that the most powerful AI systems are built in the US with American designed and manufactured chips. Vance, J.D. Vance said in Paris. And after that, the stock went up. But not only just that, Intel did release new laptops, chips. Let me just find it. Should have had the news pulled up already, but try to find it. Maybe I'll Google it. It was on video cards. Let's go find it real quick. And it is right here. Oh, come on. Let me in. Oh, I think this is gonna work. But yeah, it was the Intel Core Ultra 200H Arrow Lake laptops. All right. The performance and the reviews were positive. First benchmarks of ARC 140T Alchemist Plus. So Intel Ultra Core H. So these laptops are really good. You're getting really positive reviews, and I believe that contributed to the stock going up as well. Okay. And also, Intel announced on their Twitter page, or X page, they said at the Intel Public Sector Summit 2025, which is happening March 11th to 12th, it's a 2-day event happening in Washington, D.C., we're bringing together leaders and experts to explore how the latest advancements in AI, security, and innovation are shaping the future of governance. All right. And over here, they showed the White House, blue, Intel Blue, powering America's future. So these two things, right, from J.D. Vance and this right here, it's all about America, and Intel is an American gem. The American government, America needs Intel for defense, security, and so on. And over here, this is the IPSS 2025 page for the event. They say with the advent of a new administration and fast-paced policy changes, the landscape of government operations is evolving daily. Throughout these shifts, one thing is clear: technological innovation continues to play a central role in powering America's future. On March 11th to 12th, join experts, industry leaders, and policymakers at IPSS 2025 in Washington, D.C. to address critical developments in innovation, security, AI, and operational efficiency. Who knows? Maybe Trump will be here. Maybe the Vice President will be here, Vance. So this will also increase the stock. And I think Intel is going to receive more government funding for these reasons. When I click on sponsors, over here it says 2023. However, of course that's a typo. But here are just some sponsors: HP, Sterling, Seneca, Lenovo, Oracle, Dell, Wind River, Trenton, Iron Bow, and Government Acquisitions Inc. All right. So that's that. What else did I want to show? Oh yeah, I want to show you that. Where is it? I saw it here. Yeah. So the Intel Arc B series GPUs, B580, is selling out everywhere. As soon as it gets restocked, it sells out. So the B580 is selling really, really well. I think Intel is going to release the B770 or even, 780, 790, we don't know. But they're definitely going to have to, I'm pretty sure that's what they're working on, to release a higher tier B series GPU, since B580 is so well received and it's amazing. But that's it for today, guys. Intel stock keeps going up. I'm not telling you to buy the stock. I'm not telling you to not buy the stock. I'm just being an observer and letting you know that this is what's happening. And 2025 is going to be a bright year for Intel, I think. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. Peace.